I'm Emily Klein, Director of Undergraduate Studies and Chair of the Division of Earth and Climate Sciences.
My name is Alexander Glass. I'm a Senior Lecturer in Earth and Climate Sciences. I'm also the Major Advisor for the Earth and Climate Science majors.
We're really excited to introduce this new major in Earth and Climate Sciences.
It's the first time that students at Duke have the ability to specifically focus on the issue of climate change and climate change science. I think that's really exciting.
The Earth is an interconnected system of the atmosphere, the oceans, the solid Earth, the biosphere. You can't think about it as just one component. You have to think about the whole system. Everything from volcanoes and earthquakes and plate tectonics and deserts, water.
I think one of the biggest hurdles in educating people about climate change is that it is so vastly interdisciplinary. You have to understand a little bit about geology, you have to understand a little bit about meteorology, you have to understand a little bit about oceanography. The major that we have created to draw heavily on earth and climate science classes, but also classes at the Marine Lab, also classes in environmental science and policy. It's very flexible.
The two gateway courses are a course in earth science called Dynamic Earth.
Climate Change for Future Leaders does a little bit of everything. It does the science, it does a little bit of the policy, but ultimately it acts as an introduction to the issue.
We're particularly excited about the new experiential courses.
We're really hoping that in those experiential courses we can very clearly and early on expose students to all of the different things that different climate sciences or that different geologists do in their particular disciplines.
There's various different kinds of materials you can collect in the field. It could be tree ring data. You could look at corals and analyze their chemical composition. There's no better teaching tool than to actually do it yourself, do a hands-on experiment. Our students become keen observers of the natural world, capable of understanding interconnections between the solid Earth, the oceans, the atmosphere, and life on Earth.